Hello children, how are you all? Welcome to EVS class. So in the previous class we were discussing about lesson number 3, various types of animals. So let us recall the topic first and then we will continue the class. Okay children? So in various types of animals, that is different types of animals. So we have discussed that in the previous class, many kinds of animals live around us. Yes, children, many kinds of animals live around us. Some live in forest and others live and around our houses. So they may live in our houses or around our houses. Yes, children. So the animals which live in forest, what we will call children? Yes, wild animals. They live in forest. So wild animals lives in forest. Okay. So domestic animals generally we will grow in our house. Okay children. Cow, buffalo, for different purposes we are growing them in our house. And also pet animals. So for the safety purpose we are growing some pet animals in our house. Okay children. So let us move on to the topic. So some animals are bigger and some animals are smaller. All these we have studied in our previous class. Yes, children? So all animals look alike? Are they same? All animals are same? No, they are different. Isn't it, children? They look different. Now, here one picture is given. So, who has got my ears? So, here some ears are exchanged between these animals. Yes, children, have you ever visited zoo park? So, have you observed all the animals? So, all the animals' ears are same? No, they'll be having different sizes. Okay. Now in the previous class we have discussed all these things. Once again recall. So this elephant is exchanged with whose ears, children? Yes, mouse. And see here, this elephant's ears are exchanged by this giraffe. Yeah, did you recall the topic? Yes. Now if you see here, rabbit's ears are exchanged by dog. Yes, have you seen clearly? Yeah. So here giraffe ears are exchanged by rabbit. See, these ears are not rabbits. Whose ears are these? These are giraffes. Okay. And here if you see buffalo's ears are exchanged by the deer. See here? Deer. Yeah. So now if you see these dog's ears are exchanged by mouse. Have you seen here? And buffalo is exchanged with the ears of deer. So both are exchanged the ears. So all this we have discussed. Now how I have identified all these animals, children, with the help of ears. So by seeing the ears itself, we can easily identify which animal it is. Okay. So now here this table. So whatever we have discussed in the picture, so you have to complete this table. Okay, children. So if you have textbooks, try to complete this table. Okay. Now see this animals with external ears. So yesterday in the previous class, we have discussed about external ears and internal ears. External means what, children? Yes, which are visible. We can see the ears. So externally they are outside, they are present outside. So here, so ears of some animals can be seen visible, but ears of some animals cannot be seen. So cannot be seen are invisible. Okay, we can't see the ears, but they have small holes. So by this also we can classify the animals into two types. So animals with external ears and animals without external ears. So all this we have discussed, children. Are you recalling the topic? Once again, listen carefully. Now, discuss in groups. See these pictures? You have to separate the animals which are having external ears and which are having internal ears. Okay? So, just observe this picture. See these birds. They are having ears or no? So, they are having small holes and which are covered by their feathers. See this, what are these, children? The body is covered with feathers. For some animals, the body is covered with skin, okay, and also with fur, hair or fur, okay. And for animals, for some animals, they are covered with scales. If you see this fish, can you see the scales here? Yes, for snake, okay. See this. So have you observed the differences here? What you have noticed? First, let us see the external ears. So deer has a external ear. Yes, tiger, pig, okay, buffalo, giraffe, elephant, cat. So all these have the external ears. But these frog, fish, hen, crow, sparrow, duck, snake, lizard. Are they having ears, external ears? No. So this difference mainly you have to identify. Okay, children? So in this box, try to complete this box by your own. So already we discussed. Just separate that animals and write here in this box. Animals with external ears, animals without external ears. Okay, children? Now let us move on to the next topic, animals without external ears. Now see here, see children, generally in organisms, generally they are divided into animals and plants, mainly two. After that, these animals, so we can also consider human beings, birds, reptiles, other animals, all they are categorized into one group, okay, animals, plants, animals. So this and birds also comes under the animal group, okay, but later it is divided into birds, okay. Some in your higher classes you are going to learn about animal classification of animals, okay. There you will study about reptiles, there you will study about birds, okay, and also different kinds of animals. So don't get confused that this is a bird, no, this is not an animal. See children, so this also comes under the animal category, but again they are divided into birds and also reptiles. Okay children? Yes, this classification you will study in your higher classes. Now see, some animals have ears, but are not visible. See here, they are not visible. So do you think that animals whose ears we cannot see really do not have ears? No children. They'll be having ears, but they won't have external ears. They'll be having small holes, and that is also covered by feathers. Okay. So see the picture carefully. Now see here frogs. Can you see the external ears to the frog? No. See this crow, duck, sparrow. Yes. See this parrot. Yes. Hen. Can you see the external ears? No. These comes under the without external ears. But they have the ears which are small holes. Okay. So different animals have different kinds of ears. We can see the ears of some animals. Some animals' ears cannot be seen from outside. So in the previous picture we have seen, no? Yes, some are having ears and some are having without ears. Okay, this is a fact we have to know. Now see here, you know very well that ears helps us to hear. So we can hear with the help of ears. So bird's ears are not visible externally. A bird has tiny holes on both sides of its head. So tiny holes will be present. So generally the holes are covered with feathers. See? These holes are covered with feathers. Yes, children. So birds also can hear. Lizards also have a small, tiny holes. They also can hear. So crocodiles also has ears but cannot be seen them easily. Okay. Now, one specialty is there for snake where the skin recognizes the sounds through vibrations. So many of you know about this. Yes, children. Yeah, these are all previous topic. Once again, we are recalling it. Now let us see this. Whose skin is this? So in the previous class, we have recognized the animals by observing their skin. Yes, children? Once again, let us see. Yeah. Whose skin is this? Yes, this pattern is there only for deer. Now see the squirrels. Yeah, this is a squirrel's skin. See this arrow marks. Yes, cheetah. So this skin is tigers. Now see this zebra. Okay? Yeah. Yes, children. So here one more important thing you have to classify that the ears and the skin of all animals are not same. Okay, they are all not same. So some animals have hair on their skin and some have feathers. Now only we have seen our children. See, some have hair and some of them have the feathers. See, some are having feathers, some are having scales, and some are having hair on their skin. Okay, now see here you have to discuss and you have to write in this table. Okay, and let us discuss about this. See here children, very important thing, the animals which are having without external ears, mainly they possess feathers on their skin. So if you see this sparrow, parrot, crow, so all these are having feathers. Have you noticed? And they are having external ears? No, no external ears. They are having only small holes. So this is the main difference you have to remember. Okay. So the animals without external ears, their body, that is their skin, is covered with feathers or scales. Okay. Now if you see these animals with external ears, their bodies are covered with skin. For example, again notice here, if you see this buffalo, elephants, they are having external ears, right? And their body is also covered with hair. Have you seen that? Yes. So hair or fur also you can see. If you see dog, cat, their body is covered with some different kinds of hair. We will call it as fur. Okay, children, did you notice the difference between this external ears and without external ears? So animals having without external ears, they are covered with feathers. Animals with external ears, they are covered with hair. This is the main difference you have to notice. Okay, children. Here one more example is there in this table. Let us see here. Generally, why they have the hair on their skin? Let us see. Animals which have hair on their skin. So the different patterns on the animal's skin are due to the hair on their skin. So due to the hair, there are different patterns. If you see cheetah, if you see giraffe, or if you see zebra, so all these are due to patterns of the hair on the skin. Okay. So those animals whose hairs can be seen have hair on their body. If you see ears, we can see, if we see the ears, so their body is covered with hair. So this is the main difference you have to notice. Okay. Now see here, discuss in groups which animal have feathers and invisible ears. So now only one table is there, I will show it. Which animal have hair on their skin and visible ears? So now only we have discussed. Again, I will show the table. So which animals possess scales on their body? So scales on their body, if you see fish and snake, they are having scales on their body. Yeah, they are having external ears. No, they don't have external ears. And see children, today you are going to learn one more important topic which is new for you. That is about oviparous and viviparous. We will discuss it later. First let us see this category. So ears can be seen. So they has hair on their body. Now see elephant. So elephants are having ears and also skin on hair on the skin. Now fox, pig, mouse, cat, buffalo, camel, cow. So all these are having ears, external ears, and their skin is covered with hair. So this category you have to write in that table. Okay. Ears cannot be seen. So here you have to see the difference. They have the feathers on their skin. Sparrow, pigeon, frog, crow, peacock, duck, hen, lizard. So all these who are having feathers here, if you see, sparrow, pigeon, crow, peacock, duck, hen, all these have a feathers on the skin. Did you understand children this topic? Very simple. So those are having ears, external ears, you can see the hair on the body. And those who cannot have ears, just a small holes, they have feathers on their skin and also scales on their skin. Okay. So today one more important topic you are going to learn. This is a new to you. So there are animals are also divided into two types, children. One is oviparous and other one is viviparous. One is oviparous, other one is viviparous. Let us see what is oviparous and what are viviparous. The animals whose ears are seen, the animals whose ears are seen and have hair on their skin give birth to babies. So till now we have seen the difference of ears and skin. So here one more category is added, that is giving birth to the young ones. If you see the animals which have ears and hair on their skin, they give birth to babies. Okay, children, they give birth to babies. So animals whose ears are not seen, animals whose ears are not seen and have no hair on the skin, they lay eggs. For example, if you see hen, can you see ears? No. Can you see hair? No, they have feathers. So they are going to lay eggs. So based on this, again animals are categorized into two things, that is oviparous and viviparous. Ovi, see the first letter O. Ovi means egg. Ovi means egg. Ova. Ova means egg. So the animals which lay eggs are called oviparous. What they are called, children? Oviparous. Ova means what? Egg. So egg laying animals are called oviparous. So animals which lay eggs, incubate and bring up the young ones are called oviparous. Now if you see this hen, they will lay eggs, and after few days when they hatch, when the eggs hatch, what happens, children? Yes, small chicks will come out from that egg. So new young ones are coming through the eggs. So these kind of animals we will call oviparous. See, this egg is in oval shape now. You can remember in this way also. OV, OV, O means egg. Okay. Egg will be in oval shape. By identifying this oviparous, easily you can say they are oviparous animals. Animals which lay eggs are called oviparous. The animals which give birth to young ones and suckle them are called, yes, viviparous. So viviparous are nothing but they can give birth to the baby, young ones. Okay, babies. Directly give birth to the young ones. So we will call it as viviparous. Example, human beings. Yes, the baby is growing inside the body. Yes. So good examples are human beings, and you can see dogs, cats. Okay, children. So many examples are there. I will show you. So these are called viviparous. So here one more term is introduced here, that is mammals. Let us discuss here. See this slide. Now see here. Oviparous animals. See this. Ova. Ova means egg. Can you see here? Very good. So egg laying animals. Egg laying animals. And when they hatch, they give young ones. So see here. This is called oviparous animals. See here. Ostrich, snakes, fish, birds, hummingbirds. Have you seen the eggs of these? Yeah. These are called oviparous. So today new terms we have learned. What are the two new terms we have learned? Oviparous animals. And next one is viviparous. Ovi. Ova means egg. Very good. You have to remember. Ova means egg. So egg laying animals are called oviparous. Now see the difference here. Oviparous animals lays eggs. Viviparous animals give birth to live babies. See here. Viviparous examples here they have given dog. Show the dog. Now oviparous hen. Okay, children. Now see here what are the characteristics of mammals. What are mammals? So mammals are nothing but baby mammals drink their mother's milk. So mother who is feeding milk, the mother who is feeding the milk. So they have mammary glands. Through the mammary glands, they can feed milk. Okay. So they can suckle the milk. Such animals we will call it as mammals. Don't forget children, mammals. Okay. Human beings are also mammals. Okay. They can feed the babies with milk. Okay. So all mammals are viviparous. So mammals can be carnivorous, omnivorous and herbivorous. See children, these terms you will see in the next classes and also in higher classes you will see. But once again let us discuss about this carnivorous, omnivorous and herbivorous. See children, the animals which eat, yes, plants, we will call it as herbivorous animals. Okay. So if you see goat, they'll eat all plants. Okay. And cows, buffaloes. Okay. All these are herbivorous animals. Now, the animals which eat flesh. See here, this is eating flesh. So those are eating flesh will call it as carnivorous animals. Now, what are omnivorous animals? The animals which can eat both plants and animals, both plants and flesh. We will call them as omnivorous. Okay. Don't worry. This one you will study in your higher classes once again. Just for a reference I am giving you. Okay. So mainly water mammals, so which can feed the baby with milk. They are called as mammals. So best examples, human beings also are the best examples for mammals. Okay, children? Yes. So have you recalled today's topics? So today we have discussed two main topics, that is oviparous, viviparous and also mammals. So all mammals are viviparous. See this oviparous animals. Okay children, I hope everyone understood this topic. Try to complete this table. Okay. Yes. Once again read the textbook children so that you can understand the lesson. This is very interesting lesson. All technical terms are there in this lesson. Okay. Viviparous, oviparous. External animals with external ears, animals without external ears. Okay. So once again if you read the textbook you can understand the topic. Thank you children. Have a nice day. Study well.